Introducing the sleek and powerful 2025 Skoda Octavia SE 1.5 TSI with 115 horsepower and DSG transmission. This stunning grey saloon boasts luxury features like Bluetooth, cruise control and wireless charging, with top-of-the-line safety features such as lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. You can drive with peace of mind. Plus, this vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Experience the epitome of comfort and style with the 2025 Skoda Octavia SE 1.5 TSE.